Welcome today to the beach Samui in Tongkrut. It's the end of May and we're doing our update on how progress is coming along here. August is our soft opening where we'll be inviting a few select owners to come and try and help us get the teething problems and work with us. So this resort, when we officially open in October, will be something that you, as one of our owners, are very proud of. Guests will be from Canada, America, Australia, Russia, China, Europe, and we look forward to them bringing their families and friends next year. Progress, we're almost there. The exterior is nearly finished. We've started putting in the kitchens, fitting the wood in all the bedrooms, the living rooms. We've got some fantastic furniture in the beach Samui. Our units are incredible. It's handcrafted Thai workmanship at its best, with the teak furniture has just blown me away. I'm really pleased with the results and I hope you are too. The botanical restaurant and bar will be open, serving some of the finest foods, a lot of organic, locally sourced ingredients. You're gonna love it. Let's come out from the restaurant and let's go down to our floating pontoon where we can enjoy daytime or evening dining with some excellent views. You can look back at the beach Samui and see the bougainvillea, you can see the aloe vera, or you can even smell the lemongrass. We'll also have the energy healing spa with our amethyst crystal steam room for you to relax, rejuvenate, revitalize and re-energize yourself for your holiday here in Tongkrut, Koh Samui. The project has been made with passion. We've got some of the finest staff working on this. We are so excited and they are waiting to welcome you when you come down here. Stay tuned, keep in touch and follow us on our various social media sites so you see what's happening day to day, week to week as we get ready to welcome you here at Design Hotels, the beach Samui.